Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the underline effect, in your WPS presentation. For an example, I just need to underline some word which is so important. So just select this word is the so important thing. So you will, after selecting this thing, you will have this option of U symbol which is underline actually. So now you can see it has been underlined. If you want to underline everything, you just select everything now. Now you can find this same option on the top on the home section here. U and the keyboard shortcut was Ctrl plus U. Just select this. So now you can see the full word has been underlined. So if you want to turn it off the underline, you just don't worry. Just select the same thing and just click on this. The underline option will be turned on. Turn it on or turn it off by using this particular option or keyboard shortcut as Ctrl plus U. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.